Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to get real-time train updates in Trainline. If this tutorial helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So if you're planning a trip and want to stay updated on your train status, Trainline offers a live train tracker feature. Here's how you can use it. First, open the Trainline app on your device. Enter your journey details, where you're going, where you're coming from, and your travel date. For now, I'm gonna choose one of the popular journeys. Once your tickets are shown, tap on the duration option under the train you want to take, and that will show you the live tracker of that train. You can tap on the track button below, and this train will be showing in your search bar. One good thing this feature can be used for is to share this with the people who are expecting you at the destination. They can see the actual time when you will be arriving there and reduce delays in your journey. This is for today's tutorial. If this video helped you, then consider subscribing and liking the video.